Hey there, do you ever struggle with under cabinet storage? I'm going to check out a new product. This is a classic storage cart, it says. But this is an awesome under sink solution to be able to access multiple things. In this case, there are two under sink storage solutions that will sit side by side. This comes in black and white. I have the black here. Let's take a look. So it arrives with a very compact storage and no additional packaging, which is always nice to see. All right. Oh, there we go. So everything is nestled inside. That is very slick. We have these little hook-on baskets here and additional hardware. This is going to be very nice. So it references it as a cart. To me, it's also a bit of a drawer, and it seems like it'll really be a versatile solution. Nothing like some hair scissors to do the job. All right, then we have this really nice installation guide. It looks like we have step-by-step instructions that will make this very easy. So this comes with a mesh basket, a sliding drawer, handles, pipes, feet, storage baskets, hooks, and actually we have 3 different style hooks and this cup. So, okay, this will be very easy. I can do this. Which nail polish are you going to choose?
I'm going to do these.
Those ones?
2.